All photographs are made up of highlights and shadows, and the ability to edit your highlights and shadows separately gives you great control over your final image. Our tutorial, Advanced Lighting and Coloring in Photoshop, breaks down the tools and techniques that professionals use to independently color and light the highlights, midtones, and shadows of your images. This tutorial takes a complicated process called luminance blending and breaks it down into easy and digestible steps. We start off by showing you each of the different tools used for luminance blending, including Blend Diff, Apply Image, and Advanced Selections with channels. Then we go into the many applications of these techniques, including artistic coloring of your photos, blending different exposures, correcting highlights and shadow levels, completely changing and enhancing the exposure of your photos, and even compositing people into new backgrounds. Overall, this tutorial contains essential techniques for bringing your images to a professional level. Join Phlearn Pro today to get instant access to this tutorial and hundreds of others on phlearn.com. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the tutorial.